Hello everyone, this is Grade 2, Module 7, Lesson 15, Homework. The directions state, measure the length of each household object with your ruler. Then use your ruler to draw a line equal to the length of each object in the space provided. So we have a dinner fork, and I know all of these measurements are going to be kind of based around the fork that you used at home or based around any of these items that you have at home. So your answer is going to be a little different than mine. When I measured, I saw that the one that I measured was 5 inches long. It was a bigger fork. So now I got to draw a line that measures that same length. And here's my inch ruler. It doesn't have any numbers on it, but I know that each of them is 1. So I need to draw now a line that is the same length as the fork. So it's 5. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw straight across 5. So my line is not exactly straight, but it's the same length as 5 on my ruler. And I'm going to label that fork. That way I know because I've done some annotating on here. So that's what you're going to do for the rest of this sheet. And especially when you get down below and it says measure 2 other household objects, draw a line that is the same length as blank. So you're picking the 2 objects that you're going to draw. And then you're going to answer questions down below. What was the longest object you measured? And that's 5. And I'll get down to that one. So 3 and 4, you're going to put in your 2 objects that you pick. And then 5 is you're going to answer questions on it. What is the longest object you measured? What was the shortest object you measured? And then the difference or the distance between the longest and shortest objects, meaning you're going to subtract those 2. Let's go to page 2, and we'll take a look here. So I have my ruler on here as well, and it says for 6, measure and label the length of each side of each shape in inches using your ruler. So I'm going to use my ruler, and I'm going to slide this over and see for this rectangle. And I can count here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 inches. The longer side of the rectangle is 5 inches. Now what I need to do is I need to measure the shorter side of the rectangle. And if I flip my ruler upright, I'll be able to measure that. So there it is upright. And I see I have a measurement of 3. So I have 5 and 3. So 5 for the longer side, 3 inches for the shorter side. Now I'm going to answer a question on it. The longer side of the rectangle is blank inches longer than the shorter side. So I need to find the difference between 5 and 3. And when we talk about difference between these, we're talking about subtraction. So I can subtract the 2 numbers, the 5 and the 3, to get my answer of 2 inches. Or I can start with my smaller one of 3 and count on. 3, 4, 5, 2. So 2 inches. The next thing you'll do is you'll go through and you're going to measure the trapezoid and the hexagon. And down below you'll see you have your inch ruler down here that you could then use to help out with that. I just made my own based on it. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and good luck with the rest of your homework.